विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. फुडले 3 दीस चलपी कोळशाचे भौशीक बसकेंत आपूण मुरगांव आनी वास्कोचो प्रथम नागरीक म्हूण वांटो घेतलो अशें मुरगांव नगरपालिकेचे नगराध्यक्ष दीपक नायक हांणी सांगलां. कोळशाचे प्रदुशणा खातीर वास्कोकारांक बरोच त्रास जाता आनी हें थांबपाक जाय म्हण आपूण यत्न करता अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
24 तारखेक आनी 27 तारखेक हे 3 दीस कोलाक लागून पब्लीक हियरींग आसा आनी एज अ फर्स्ट सिटीजन म्हाका ती मिटींग वचपाकूच जाय. कित्याक वास्कोचे कितें बरें आनी वायट जाता पळय तें आमचेच अंडर आसता. आमीच ते लोकांक लागून हेल्प करपाक जाय. आनी हांगा जो कोल जो जाता तो खरोखरच वास्कोकारांक खूब इफेक्टीव आसा, खूब त्रास जाता आनी हेचेर कितें तरी आमकां एक्शन घेवपाकूच जाय. की लास्ट कावन्सील मिटिंगेन सुद्दां आमी रेजोल्यूशन घेतलेलें की तें स्टॉप करपाचें म्हणून. खंय तरी हांव न्हू कित्याक लागून इलेक्शन जालें, लागीं पावलें इलेक्शन जालें आनी तेचेर अजून कांय तरी आउटकम अजून आमकां येवंक ना कलेक्टरा कडसून. आमी ऑलरेडी लेटर बिटर केलेलें आहा. तरी सुद्दां ह्या 20 तारखेक, 24 तारखेक आनी 27 तारखेक हांव एज अ प्रथम नागरीक हांव थंय आसतलो आनी आय अपोज फॉर द कोल.
Public hearing is an opportunity for the public to exercise their democratic right. It is a part of the EIA process. It's a public consultation is a very important part of the public consultation process, which gives a right to the public, to the affected citizens, to come forward and to express their views, their grievances, their apprehensions about a project. So this is a very, what I would say, golden opportunity. We can all sit on armchairs and complain about pollution, coal pollution, etc. But if you do not come and be present and express your views at the appropriate time, all that will just nothing. It will have no impact at all. So what I would call upon the citizens of Vasco is to come in large numbers and to also, if possible, study the EIA reports which have been prepared by the project proponents, and then come there and give their views and whatever they have got to say.
What is your views on this?
No, my view is that the Murgaon port should first, whatever they are doing, whatever the existing operations, that should be, they should ensure that is within the environmental norms. And once the public in general or the authorities are satisfied that it is within the norms, then they can look at further expansion.
If there is no pollution, we have no problem. That also one of the modern methods, including the latest method they will have to use. Then only if you are sure that is. Otherwise, if there is pollution, we don't want. That should be our stand. We will be opposing and we will be also proposing the suggestions we will be giving. And also will in the same country. First of all, there should not be any pollution. That issue is not negotiable. There should not be any pollution, and we have no problem if they bring under the condition that absolutely there is no pollution and it should be under covered operation.